Hi, how's it going? Hopefully, you're just doing fine. Right now, we are going to cover words, phrases, clauses, and sentences. But, as the title suggests, this is just an introduction. In detail, we'll have a separate video tutorial dealing with them. Are you ready? Let's get started. Words. Word is a single meaningful unit of language that can be represented in writing or speech. It can be represented in writing or speech. It means it can be written down and it can be also spoken. It can only be an alphabet or combination of some alphabets. It means it can be a single alphabet or combination of some alphabets. See this example. I and A. I has meaning. It means I when I say I. A means one. As you see, they are only single alphabet. While father and mother, okay, they are combination of some alphabets and they also have meaning. And I do believe you get the meaning, right? Good. Word class, okay, it means word can be divided into verb, noun, adjective, adverb, preposition, determiner, pronoun, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, as I already said in the beginning, so in detail we'll have a specific video tutorial discussing this. Now let's continue to the second part. Phrases. A phrase is a group of words that forms a unit. But bear in mind, a phrase doesn't have subject and verb. For example, a very beautiful woman in the village. This combination of words, there is no subject and verb. That is why this is called phrase. So it doesn't matter how many words, okay, as long as there is no subject and verb, it means it is a phrase. Okay. Well, phrase can also be classified into noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, and etc. There are some more, okay, the kinds of phrase. All right. And this is the third, clauses. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and verb. Group of words which have subject and verb. Generally, clause is divided into two types, and they are dependent and independent clause. Let's see their difference. A dependent clause cannot stand on its own. For example, although she is hungry, this clause is senseless, or it hasn't a complete thought or meaning, because we have a question in our mind. Although she is hungry, then what? Okay, let's compare with independent clause. Independent clause can stand on its own. For example, she keeps on working. When someone says she keeps on working, it has meaning. It has a complete thought. In other words, this is meaningful. So, the dependent clause should be combined with an independent clause in order to have a complete thought. If this clause, a dependent clause, in order to have meaning, so it should be attached or combined with an independent clause. So for example, if we combine these two clauses, although she is hungry, in which this is a dependent clause, she keeps on working, okay, and this is an independent clause. And now it has a complete thought, okay, we get the meaning clearly. So that is the meaning of clause. Talking about clause, a dependent clause can also be classified into noun clause, adjective clause, relative clause, and etc. And this is the last part, that is sentence. A sentence is a meaningful group of words which has subject and verb or predicate. In English, sentence is classified into 4 types, and they are simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and compound complex sentence. Okay, what are meant by these 4 types of sentence? As I previously mentioned, we'll be dealing or discussing with them in specific. And our first topic of discussion will be words. See you and tata.